we actually racing this?
Yeah, I would.
Now guys, I already know what you're thinking. You're thinking, why are the bars so tall? Well, it's a dirt bike frame, number one. We had to run the stem through the frame. Not easy to make this, but I'm gonna show you guys a comparison to a brand new YFZ 450R that we've got sitting here. You're gonna, I guess, see how close they are. They're pretty damn close. Our bars are about 2.5 inches taller. Now, me personally, when I buy a quad, I would take something like this, and I would extend it about 1.5 to 2 inches. That's just personal preference. I'm about 5'10", and anyone shorter might want lower bars. Might not be the setup for you, but we're looking at getting some lower handlebars for this thing too. Right now, we've got them about as low as we can go with a CR high bend. We can go down to a CR low and probably get a 1/2 inch off these. But let's flip the camera around. You guys can check both these out and maybe answer some of your questions.
We'll end of the day race to see which one's faster, I bet.
We can't go a whole day without making 2 videos.
No. Dude, I'd say give them like 1 quad length and you'd probably still beat them.
The YFZ?
Yeah, give the YFZ.
Are we actually racing this?
Yeah, I would. Give that thing 1 quad length. The YFZ 1 quad length, and it'd still beat it, I bet.
Oh man, who's gonna ride it? You gonna ride it? I mean, we could go on our little drag strip over here, the old Tucson Dragway.
Yeah, Tucson. Actually, 43rd Dragway.
Yep.
Private property. What am I doing? It's gonna give you a quad length. So I told him he could give you a quad length. Oh, I know this thing's faster.
This is supposed to be a comparison video, and we're talking about racing these. So again, our bars are taller. Wheelbase is identical. I think we're just over 50 inches. We have a little bit of an extended swing arm on there. We're about the same width. We've got an extended axle on there, which is the TRX 450R. As you guys know, the YFZ already comes widened out from the factory. So we actually went with a long travel TRX 450R front end on here. This is not a normal TRX 450R, as you guys are used to seeing. This is a 2022 CRF 450 dirt bike with our quad conversion kit on it. So everything from the center back is basically our trike kit. Center forward is a quad kit. So the goal is to bring back quads. I mean, not everybody likes Yamaha. I love them. I absolutely love them. But for all the Honda guys, maybe anybody that wants Kawasaki, something like that, the options are out there now. It was killing us for a while. We really wanted to get this build going. More or less see what we got. What do you guys think? We gotta get it out in the dirt. But first, I need to fixture this before I bend it and destroy it, because it's honestly just tack welded together.
Fixture.
And I keep riding it and doing wheelies and dumb things, and we don't want to bend it.
You're testing your tacks. Get pre-bends in there.
The old tack welds.
Yeah. Not the first, not the last.
Yep. Hey man, you gotta test shit. If it's not working, you gotta be able to move it. We've had a lot of questions about how the hell we pulled this off. It's all bolt on, so we're going right to the peg mount, to the motor mount, to the front there. We've got a crazy tower going up through the steering stem here, so this is all bolted right to the frame. It's honestly not much different than the Yamaha. These are all bolt together too. It's totally possible, guys. You just got to think outside the box. But yeah, let's zoom in here. You guys can kind of see how they did the same deal. This is like, you got 2 pieces up in the top, 1 in the back. You got your bottom and of course your front section. But if Yamaha can do it, I'm willing to try, right? Cool. So I guess we're gonna drag race these and see which one's faster. This thing's completely stock, so let's see what happens. Well, stock dirt bike.
Stock dirt bike, yeah.
A little different, right?
Still both 450s.
All right, Alex, don't drop my phone. It's brand new. I'm gonna go over here, gotta do a start. I'm just gonna give him the hell. Let him do 1 quad length or something. I don't know.
How's she feel, bud?
It's definitely slower.
Cool down.
Smell the brakes.
I don't think we have tires anymore, Alex. I think tires are a little tired now.
It's all right. It's ours.
It's fine.
The shift points are almost the same, and then after third gear, yours is a little longer and just gone.
Yeah.
Like first, second, third were the same, and there's like
40 horsepower versus probably like 50 for the tires. Big difference.
And then the weight difference too. I want to see what this thing weighs.
So you working that zoom, or you just?
I was working that zoom.
Working that zoom.
I was working. The zoom lens on this thing actually works really nice compared to it.
I was gonna ask you how it was working.
It actually works really. You'll see.
Was this 2 videos today on this thing?
It is 2 videos today on this thing. We went from no videos for like 3 weeks to 2 videos in a day.
Probably the longest slide you ever saw.
I was like, I hope I'm getting out of his way.
I was just messing with you.
Yeah. That lady like pulled over and was talking to me, and I was like, I hope she's not talking about racing. She was like, that is the coolest motorcycle I've ever seen. I used to have a little one.
The fat cat.
Yeah, and she like wants one of these now.
Well, video number 2 of the day. We had fun.
Got some toys out.
If you guys like this idea, cool. If you don't, it's cool. We make trikes, we make big wheels, we try to do everything. We love them all.
Drew rides dirt bikes. Like,
I started out as a quad rider, went to dirt bikes, back to quads, to trikes, been all over the place. We're just having fun. It's all about having fun at the end of the day and building cool shit.
That's all that matters.
Hope you guys like the channel. Subscribe. We're doing more giveaways. As you know, we gave away a trike kit about a month ago. What else should we give away?
Let's do a big wheel kit first.
Those are tested. They've been out for a few years now. We got Pro Riders hammering on them. If you haven't yet, check the Blake Wharton video out. Let's do a
Fast turnaround.
Yeah, right. Really faster turnaround than this contraption. Yeah. Oh man. Cool guys. Well, thanks for watching. Put in the comments what you think. You guys are excited to see this thing out on a motocross track or in the dirt, out in the desert. Let us know. It's going out there soon. Just stay tuned to the channel and be sure to subscribe. Cool.